In fact,
Next question.
or in fact, with the Sharifa, who was, make it shorter, the question, please. Oh.
His Holiness, around the time Tibetans lost their rights when they were occupied by China, another nation faced a similar tragedy, the Palestinians. The Israeli occupation of Palestine continues with full support from the United States and the American-Israeli Political Action Committee. Millions of indigenous Palestinians have been made refugees on their own land and have lost the right to return to their homeland. We sometimes read your statement sympathetic to Israel, but not on the suffering of the Palestinians. Could you please enlighten us with your view on the ethnic cleansing of Palestinians under illegal Israeli occupation?
I have been Israel few times. When I was the hearing the Jewish versus the viewpoint. So looks, there are sort of some reasons. 1,000-year-old, you see, they have certain right in that place. So they themselves, in ancient time, they become refugee in different sort of country or different area. Then same occasion, same occasion. Same place now. Same occasion now. I met some group of Palestinians. You see, when I hearing their sort of complaint, they also right. You see that place belongs to them. So difficult to judge. The best thing is, no matter who are, live together, helping each other. I think I very much impressed the Jerusalem, where the Jewish community are. They land much greener. They use sort of every technique, water, so trees and grass, much greener. Whereas the Palestine sort of site still remain dry, like desert.
Arid, no?
Like that. So, better to live together. And some of the sort of Jewish sort of community sort of the technology or skills is used. And meantime, live together. So, my second visit, Jerusalem or Tel Aviv. I met a small group, Palestinians, Jewish, together. Small group who try to, make bridge or harmony. So that's the only way. I think among Israelis, I think a number of them against the government sort of hardliner policy. So there are people. I think I know Nobel Prize, the Shimon Peres. I know him. I think he also, very much sort of committed about genuine peace. I think. So therefore, I think contact people's level. The government level sometimes difficult, but then people's level, I think should
more interaction.
More interaction. In India also, I express some my Indian friend who have some close connection with some Pakistanis. So that's, I think, very important. After all, you see, both sides stand firm, and that way, sooner or later, some clash, and won't solve the problem. More clash, more hurt here. That's, you see, they reduce the possibility of reconciliation. So that's my view. But the issue, Palestine, older than Tibetan issue, still violence involved. So very, very sad, very sad.